Here I've got Honor V20, and let me show you how to reach navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with the button navigation bar. We've got 3 buttons which are assigned to recent, then this is the home button, and then back button right here. But if you'd like to change it, if you'd like to apply gesture navigation or maybe change the layout of this navigation bar, just open the settings, go to System and Updates, and now click on System Navigation. And as you can see, you can pick free navigation key. So this is the one that we've got, but if you click on Settings, you can change the layout. And also it can be hidden, so if you click here, it will not be on. But let me show you how to apply gestures. Just click on Gesture, tap on Start, and here you've got small tutorial, so this is for going back. Now if you would like to go back, you can also do it this way. And if you will scroll like this, you will be able to go back to your home screen. Then whenever you want to load the recent tasks, just do something like this, and now you've got it here. You can smoothly tap on bin icon then. So this is it. This is how you can activate navigation by gestures. But as you can see, this device also have the third option, which is navigation dock. Tap here, and you can activate it right here, and as you can see now, you can have it everywhere. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.